Hello friends. Now in our previous lecture we have understood that there are two methods that are there to create a request that we can send to the server, and for that we have these two methods. One is open and the other is send. So the first thing is you need to open. We can have three arguments. The first one, here we are using get, so we are getting the value from the server, and for this we are using this URL where the file will get processed. Yes friend, this is where the file will get processed, or you can say that this is the file that we are targeting. Say for example you want to retrieve all the value from here, from this me.txt file, and then we have the next, that is for asynchronous, and it's true. Now let me write here a comment. It is for normal sending code or normal request code. Did I say code? No, it's code actually. So normal request code using get method. Okay, now let's come here and let me copy this again. Press Ctrl C to copy and just paste it. This time let's write here, say pretty advanced. Just for fun I'm writing here. So it's kind of advanced actually, not kind of advanced, just a simple thing you need to add, that is, say for example, as we have seen in our search suggestion example, that string, you remember? Let me open the site. Yep. Oh, it's already opened, huh? So here now it's B only, next BE, and see search suggestions are changing, right? Then S, so now it's BES, now it's BEST. This is the string BEST, so every time it is changing, right? Now first of all we need to get the value of this text box, right? So let's say here we have a variable of say value equals something, say document.getElement by id, then that text box value or say input field value, that value is being stored here. I'm not writing that full here, so just for understanding, just understand this. So here we have that var value. Let's write here, say var value equals say best. Now I am providing here manually only, just for example. Now here we are going to provide a query string. So in the URL you have noticed, I guess, in few cases, the file name, then question mark, then some values like say name equals John, surname equals something else, like this stuff. So that is the query string, and here we are sending that query string using, so this is the file name, and by this query string we can send data to this URL. How? So me.txt, then question mark, and then let's write as a name equals value plus value. So this is the normal method, and when we are trying to retrieve some data depending on some value which we are sending from our browser only, say for example this search result, depending on the value which is here, the search results are coming here, right? So that string we need to send, isn't it? Say for example that we are storing inside this variable value, and then we are sending this value using this URL only. So using get method, you can do this by using this URL only. So URL, so me.txt, then question mark, and then name equals that value. If you have any confusion, feel free to ask me. Well, of course, we will see examples, and that time I think that you will be more familiar with this concept. So for now, understand this thing, that we have two ways of using this get method. One is this normal stuff where we are just opening and we are providing three parameters: get, URL, asynchronous, true or false. And then a pretty advanced stuff, that is the method is same only, and only with URL we are sending data. That's it. So this is the get request, and in our next lecture we will take a look at post request. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.